Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about the problems, children. That means yesterday, that is in the previous class, we learned the problem on the lens maker's formula. That is the concave lens. Okay. By using the concave lens, how to find the lens maker's formula. Okay, children. And by yesterday, we completed the problems, children. By yesterday we completed the problems, and in the same way we discussed the keywords. Okay, today, children, we see the what we have learned. That means the points whatever that are given. The formula used when a light ray enters a medium with refractive index n2 from a medium with refractive index n1 at curved surface interface with a radius of curvature r is n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r. That is the curved surface formula, children. Here curved surface formula is n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r. And here next, a lens is formed when one medium is separated from another medium by two surfaces, one of them which is curved. That means out of the two surfaces, okay, one of them is curved, then it is called as a lens. Lens is formed when one medium is separated from the another medium, okay, by two surfaces, one of which is curved. Lens maker's formula, lens formula is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, children. Next, where f is the focal length of the lens, u is the object distance, and v is the image distance. Okay. Next, lens maker's formula, that is 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, children. Okay, where r1 and r2 are the radii curvature and n is the refractive index and f is the focal length, children. Okay, right. Okay, first in these question answers, children, improve your learning. Okay, we are having the question answers. First we will go with the problems, children. After completing the problems, we will go with the question answers, children. Okay, in all these, whatever the problems that are there, first we solve them. Then after solving them, I will explain the remaining question answers, children. Okay, right. See the third question, children. The focal length of a converging lens. Converging lens means, is it a convex or concave? Convex lens. The focal length of a converging lens is 20 centimeter. An object is 60 centimeter from the lens. Where will be the image be formed? What kind of image it is? Okay, he is asking that where is the image formed and what kind of image is formed, children. Okay, here the focal length of a converging lens. Which lens it is? Convex lens. Converging lens is the convex lens. Okay, focal length is given, that is 20 centimeter. Focal length is given as 20 centimeter. Okay, children. And here an object is 60 centimeter from the lens. U is 60 centimeter, children. U is 60 centimeter. Here now you apply the sign conventions, children. Sign conventions. For the convex lens, only U is negative, whereas all the remaining are positive. Only U is negative, whereas all the remaining are positive, children. Okay, U is minus 60 centimeter. Remaining are positive. The E is positive. Okay, children. Which formula we should use? We should use the lens formula. That is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by 20 is equals to 1 by v minus of minus 1 by 60. Okay, children. Now here 1 by 20 is equals to 1 by v. Minus into minus, it is plus 1 by 60. Okay, therefore 1 by v is equals to 1 by 20 as it is. 1 by 20 as it is, plus 1 by 60 moving that side, minus 1 by 60. minus 1 by 60. LCM is 60. LCM is 60. Okay. 20 3s are minus 60 1s are 1 by V is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 60, that is 2 1s are 2 30. Here V is equal to 30 centimeters. V is equal to 30 centimeters. And here, what kind of image is formed? What kind of, here he is asking the image also. Okay, children. Here he is asking where is the image will be formed and what kind of image it is. Okay, to find what kind of image it is, okay, we should draw the figure, children. I think you got up till here. Is it? Okay, it is a convex lens. If is given, U is given. We are finding V we got it as 30 centimeters, children. Okay, now to find the nature of the image. To find the nature of the image. How much it is here? V is equal to 30 centimeter. We got it as a 30 centimeter from the lens. Here, convex lens. F1, C1, F2, C2. Object is focal length is given as 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Okay, focal length is given as 20 centimeter, and here focal length given as 20 centimeter. Okay, right. Object distance is 60 centimeter. Object is at 60 means to here 20 plus 20, that is 40 centimeter. Here object 60 means it is beyond C. Beyond C. If we draw the figure, image is formed in between F and C, that is here 20 plus 10, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, V is equal to 30 centimeter we got. V is equal to 30 centimeter we got. Therefore here what kind of image is formed? Real image, inverted image, and here diminished image. Real image, inverted image, and the diminished image is formed. Okay, right. We got the real, inverted, and diminished image. Okay, this is the problem, children. Right. Okay. Next, here fourth one, children. A double convex lens has two surfaces of equal radii R and refractive index N is equal to 15 to find the focal length. Fourth problem, children. Fourth problem. Fourth problem. A double convex lens is having of the focal here refractive index is given as 15. Children, it is not 15, it is 1.5. Make it as 1.5. Okay, refractive index it won't be 15. It is given as 1.5. Children, make it as 1.5. N is equal to 1.5. Okay. R1 and R2 are equal radii. Therefore, R1 is equals to R. R2 is also equal to R. Okay, children, they are having of equal radii. is asking to find out the focal length. Therefore, use the lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula. Maker's formula. What is the lens maker's formula? 1 by f is equals to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. But here when we apply the sign conventions, normally 1 is to the left side, r1 is equal to minus r, r2 is equal to plus r. Okay, normally 1 is this side r, 1 is this side r. Therefore, it is, when we are measuring from here, it is minus, it is plus 2. Okay, 1 by f is equals to n is 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by r1 is 1 by r minus, here, sorry, minus 1 by r. First one is minus 1 by r. Okay, second one is 1 by r. Okay, children, right. 1 by f is equals to 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. Okay, that is minus 1 by r minus 1 by r. That is 1 by 2 into minus 2 by r. Okay, that is minus minus cancel. That is minus r. F is equals to minus r. Okay, how much we are getting, children? Here we are getting f as minus r. The focal length is equal to the minus radius, children. Okay, minus indicates it is inverted. It is equal to the radius. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Remaining we will be learning in the next class.